Hi, I'm Kat Dawn. I'm the head of people at Elroy Air. One thing that we really strive to do here and that a lot of our employees embody is that we really want to make a new vertical within aerospace. Obviously, we're building a novel product. We also want to build a novel team. We have this problem, right? We need an industrial building, but we are very heavy on the office side. So we look for buildings that have flexible spaces that can provide breakout areas of soft seating. People can sit down with their teammates and be not at a desk. So with this building, we found that it was pretty outdated. It feels pretty dead without Taiga. So Taiga really helps to liven it up. Installing Taiga in our office has been really easy. Not just the installation process itself, but the ongoing service and maintenance of the system has been awesome. I know that it is filtering the air as well. One thing I learned with BIOME was how cognitive function declines with recirculated air when it's not being purified. I think that really helps in the kitchen as well because there is no natural, ventilation in here. Employee wellness is definitely something that's critical to us. Having a warm, inviting, collaborative space that speaks to multiple different groups is really important to us.
My name is Justin Aguinaldo, and I am a inventory and materials handler at Elroy Air. I definitely experience more mental clarity when I can be around nature, observe nature, getting to walk around and not always be at a desk, and to be able to interact with people. Those are really big things. That's a big reason why every time I have lunch and breaks, I really try to be around something green, and get out in the sunshine and walk around outside every once in a while. And that's why it's nice having the wall here.
We learned about BIOME and I loved it immediately. I think that while I am personally passionate about houseplants, I have a limited amount of time to take care of plants at the office. But one thing I really like about it is that it doesn't require somebody who is great at plants or not. And so it's a much more scalable solution than houseplants where you either have to hire a plant vendor or, have somebody who happens to be good at that. And it is definitely something that we plan to bring into more spaces in the building. But, when I first learned of BIOME, I really didn't look at anything else. I was just like, that's what we need. The people are the most important thing to me at Elroy Air. There are a lot of people who really enjoy being outside here, and so to bring a bit of outside indoors is actually really valuable for us.